All right, as you can see, folks, this is a stone foundation that's had a big thick coat of concrete. Straightening that wall right there. It's rock, it's a little bit of brick, it's concrete. They're coming back in place real nice. Stay tuned, everyone. Appreciate anybody that's out here watching our videos. You see them on YouTube, give us a thumbs up. Give us a like. That's a like on YouTube. Thumbs up. Real time live action. 10/25/2023, Clay Como. About 1:58 p.m. on a rainy day. Love it when a wall goes back. It's such a gratifying feeling to make a job, a wall like this. That's people are saying remove and replace and saving it. We love removing and replacing them. It's a lot more money. But this right here, structurally sound. Everything we're doing, bringing everything back to where it was at. We're going to pier the footing like we did the north wall, and then come in with wall braces, and then the steel wire and a coating of concrete. It'll look just like this north wall here. This would be the inside east wall. We're going to give it a coat of concrete. It will not get wall braces. And then we'll be finished with this job and move to our next one. Stay tuned, subscribe. We appreciate all of you. We love you. Tell you the way the world is today, chaos everywhere. I'm at peace when I'm down in a basement with my amigos. We're working hard to make a bad wall good, make a customer happy, get good comments about us in reviews. And believe it or not, everyone, we go at every job just like this. So the negative reviews, which is far and few between, but there are a few after this many years, makes me scratch my head and wonder about the mental stability of some people. But anyway, kingpiers.com, 816-521-8915. Thank you.